All right, so tonight we're having salad. So I have my cheese, my ranch seasoning, the ham. Even though we're using chicken, I'm gonna do a salad and chicken. This is a Parmesan. I have my cheese. I have my spinach leaves. And I have some cilantro, and I have eggs. This one I'm having my salad. So let's boil this salad. First up is the eggs. Comment below if you put eggs in your salad. So I boiled the eggs already. So I'm just gonna crack them. So these are my, and I'm not making a big salad, so just making enough. Because I I like my salad to be fresh, so I can't eat like leaving it in overnight in the fridge. So these are the eggs. So I have 3 eggs. So I'm gonna peel each one of the eggs. Comment below if you eat eggs. So these are the eggs. So now, these are the spinach leaves. These are the spinach leaves. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these all. Wash them off because I'm not using a lot. So these are the spinach leaves. I'm gonna just dump them. So far, I have the eggs and I have my spinach leaves. Put spinach up. So this is a little bit of cilantro to add the freshness in the salad. All right. Next, I'm gonna add some bacon bits. Not a lot. A little bit of ham pieces. So we're making a salad. So far, I have spinach, eggs, ham pieces, a little bit of cilantro, and eggs. Next, I'm going to add cheese. Let's see what I can do. I'm adding the cheese to my salad. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. I don't know, something about a salad has Parmesan cheese for me. Some ranch seasoning. So here's my salad so far. I'm just going, you can smell. So it has the eggs, the ham pieces, bacon, and again, this is my salad. I have some chicken. So here's that's another plate. There's a salad, there's a chicken. All right, so I'm eating the salad. So my salad had the eggs, got a little bit of avocado, Here's the chicken. Cheers, guys. It's not bad. Made by me. Bon appetit.